So hello guys, this is Mummy C here, and today we're going to review an alien egg. It comes in all different colours. We've got the gold one, so I've opened the egg, and the little alien covered in pink slime. Ugh.
Yeah, yucky.
Now, I used to have these when I was little, so they're very popular. They're still going now.
Yeah, and Beth has one.
Yeah?
I bought that for my holiday.
Ah. So we've got a little gold alien.
Yeah.
Now this has got a big hole in its head. I don't remember else having holes in their heads, but he's got a hole in his head.
Yeah.
It's sticky and stretchy. Yeah, anyway, so it looks like a little baby alien in there. And this slime
Can you do that?
is all pink and stretchy and weird.
Can you do it up now?
Yeah, so put the goo back in. Put the alien in. We used to wind up Nanny Helen, throw them on the ceiling and they get stuck. And then we put them in, and it's nice and warm. Now,
Can we play?
and that's the alien egg.
Can you open it back up now?